Alright, today let's make Winnie the Pooh. First, I'm making half circle on the top and U shape on the bottom. Now, this is the nose and the mouth, and put some dimples and eyes and eyebrows and ear, his shoulder and his tummy, and two ovals for legs, his arms, and what is this? For his honey. Children's book Daddy, What Color in the Rainbow is available on online store. Please scan the QR code for purchases. Now it's coloring time. I use yellow, next one is red, and black is for his nose, and blue is for his face, and honey is yellow. Now Play-Doh time. I'm using yellow. Let's use a stick to make the shape. Making the oval shape. Now red color for his t-shirt. Let's make sure the shape is right. That's for his hands. Now I'm making the huge ball and push, push, push. That's for his face. And make sure he has the shape of the cheeks. Push. One more. Push, push. And two balls. Push to make his ears. And making diamond shape for his nose. Right, let's make some noodles. That is for his mouth. Let's make him smile. And in the corner, right there, I'm using another black noodle to make his dimple. One more. And above his nose. And two tiny balls for his eyes. Next one is for his eyebrows. Alright, I'm making the blue noodles to make his base. That's for his honey. Let's make sure to have a nice shape and put some honey, and let's make him eat, so it spilled the honey a little bit. That's Winnie the Pooh. Thank you for watching. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.